So, good morning again, and a very happy new year to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
Good
morning,
ma'am.
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Happy New Year.
Same to you, same to you. Better than me, I should say.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, better. So, we begin with the lesson number 13, motion and time, right?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
let me know whether you have understood whatever we did yesterday, or is there any problem? If you want me to redo certain topics, I can and I will. So just let me know. I'm giving 1 or 2 minutes. If you wish me to take up certain topics again, then I will. Let me know whether you have understood it
Um,
fully or whether you still have some doubts. I'm not talking
um,
individually, I'm talking as a class. Yes, what is your answer? I'm waiting for your answer, Vita.
Ibrahim.
Yes? Did you understand my question? First of all, let me know that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
do you have any problems so far? Whatever,
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
no?
no,
Okay.
ma'am.
That is what I'm asking, Beta. This is what we had done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, can you explain it just in 1 minute? That there are three graphs. What you will suggest? What does it show? I'm marking it as 1, 2, and 3. What you can derive from these three graphs? What number 1 is showing? Can you tell me? Yes, Owen Fatima, Sakina Ghavrani, anyone? What does it suggest? Number 1, what does it suggest? What does it show? What are we talking about? Everything is written. I don't know why you're taking so much of time. Do you agree that I have taught you yesterday?
Yes.
Yes? I
Yes.
asked you a question just now whether you have any doubts or not. You said you don't have any doubts. And now, when I ask you a question and everything is written over here, it's given over here, and I just ask you, just in 1 minute, just explain it, what it is all about. You're taking so much of time. Why? Because before I ask you a question, you should be ready. Yes, ma'am, I will give you this answer. You should have said that. Yes, who will explain, beta? Almas? All are quiet. Hello? Zainab?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, explain. What is the first graph shows, beta? It is the graph
Pass.
between distance and time, right? So what it is
Yes.
showing? Speed. It is showing speed,
Speed.
isn't it? So what does
Yes.
the graph shows? It is a straight line. Graph is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
straight line. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what does it suggest?
Constant speed.
That's all. This is what you have to say. This graph is shown between distance, and it's a distance time graph showing a straight line suggesting that the object is moving with a constant speed. That's how you have to explain a graph. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to express your ways, right? Okay, what about the second one, beta?
This graph is between in distance and time.
What it is showing then? It's distance time and what it is showing, beta? Speed, isn't it?
Is showing speed
Okay.
in Increase in speed.
Okay. That means earlier it was slow, right? And then it increases the speed. So that means it is not increasing the speed. Earlier it was having a slow speed and then it started increasing its speed.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta?
ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Okay, now it happens in between beta. So just stay with me for some time. It will be okay. Now, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It happens in between. Even your sound cuts in between. But then it becomes automatically okay. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's talk of the third graph beta.
This graph is between distance and time. This
Showing
graph is
speed.
presenting at a rest.
That means the
Speed is
time is 1 hour, time is 2 hour, time is 3 hour, time is 4 hour. The distance remains the same, suggesting that the
same.
body is not moving. The body is at rest. The body does not have any speed. You understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes.
All of you better?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now you understood what I'm asking from you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Express yourself better. If you think, okay, what will happen maximum? You will go wrong, isn't it? So what will
Yes.
happen? You will go wrong. But am I going to scold you? I will ask you to do it again. That's it. So why are you scared? Hello, I want you to do mistakes better. Because more you do mistakes, more you learn. So how many of us, for example, we have 12 or 13 people, just I'm randomly I'm talking about. We will have 12, 13 mistakes. From each and everybody's mistakes, we are going to learn something new. What do you say? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
then we are humans, better. We do mistakes. So nothing to feel sorry about. That is what I'm telling you, better. Nothing to feel sorry about. But yes, we are learners. If I am learning, then even you are learning, isn't it? Even I'm learning from you people. Am I not?
Yes.
Even I'm learning from you people, beta. So the thing is that being scared, being fearful, being frightened, remove all those things now and get the confidence that yes, I can do it. Because if you do not do mistake, beta, if you don't take the first step, how can you go ahead? You want to get to your own comfort zone or you want to come out of your comfort zone. Then and then only you can learn. And you, okay, I understand that you know everything, but you're not able to express yourself. So what's the point of knowing then? That's the reason I'm asking you, beta, that in your own words, I want the expression. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes.
From henceforth, you will do mistakes. Do you promise me? Yes or no? That
Yes.
means that means you will try. You will not keep silent.
Yes.
So you promise me, beta? You will not disappoint
Yes.
Yes.
me? Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you. So we start our day, distance time graph. This is a distance time graph is shown that a car is traveling and the time taken by the car. See this table. Time is 0 hour, distance is obviously 0 hour. Okay, so body is not moving, the car is not moving. It took 1 kilometer distance, it traveled 1 kilometer distance, it took 1 minute. 2 kilometer distance, it took 1 minute. 3 kilometer distance, it took 3 minutes. Can you see this difference? Yes? Then 4 kilometer, 4 minutes. 5 kilometer, 5. You understood? So where's the difference? Here. 2 kilometer, it should be 2 minutes, isn't it? But instead it is 1 minute. And let's see how we will show. They have done it wrong. I think it should be 2 minutes over here. The graph is shown 2 minutes. See, you can see over here, the time is, this is all minutes. This is minutes, right? So 1 kilometer, this is kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 minute. 2 kilometers, 2 minutes. 3 kilometers, 3 minutes. Four, like this. Can you see this? Understood? And when we join these points, we get a straight line. What does it show?
Straight
Please
line.
one of you read. It's a straight line. Please one of you read.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I read?
No, she's already reading
Can
it.
I?
Give me your name. I told you this. So there will
Lakhani
be no
Singh.
commotion. Okay,
Zainab
Lakhani
Lakhani.
Zainab. Okay. Zainab Lakhani will start and the next slide will go to the one which I will ask. Please continue.
If the distance time graph is a straight line, then the object is moving with constant speed.
You
If
agree?
the speed
Just a moment. If we get a straight line, what does it suggest? That the object is with constant speed. You agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All of
ma'am.
you agree? Okay. Then
Yes.
if the speed keeps changing, the graph can be of any shape.
you also agree with this? For
Yes,
example,
ma'am.
here, if the speed keeps changing, the graph can be like this, the graph can be like this, the graph can be like this. You understand? It could be of any shape if the speed keeps changing. But if the speed does not change, the graph will be always a straight line. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, so we come to a close of this chapter. How soon we have finished, imagine. Girls,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
yes? How soon we have finished? Okay. Now, can we revise it? Can we revise
Yes.
this chapter if you don't mind?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is all new. This is all new chapter. So I will be asking you as questions, and you will be giving me the answers. Okay, beta?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And even you can ask me questions. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
What is a linear motion? Yes, beta? What is a linear motion? Can anyone? What is the meaning of linear, by the way? I will write it linear. If you do not know, then let me know. I will explain, beta. Don't worry about it. Girls, do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you know about this or no? No. So linear is straight line. Straight line. Any object which is moving in a straight line is called as linear motion. Yes or no? Generally,
Yes.
what we see, the car traveling on the road, the buses traveling on the road. So what are they having? Linear motion. Have you understood this much?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
What is motion? Be fast, beta. What is motion?
Moving thing.
Yeah, moving thing. But this is only two words you will say, beta. You have to make a statement, isn't it?
Yes.
You're in seventh standard now, beta. You cannot give me one word or two word. Answer, but I have asked you the definition. So how will you form the definition? Likewise, you have to give me the answer. So what is motion? Any object which is moving is said to be in motion. Simple. Hello? Girls, are you there?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm
yes,
asking certain questions, all of you are quiet. Then what is the point of revising, beta? I'm asking you certain questions. I will come to know whether you know or not. If you don't know, then I will explain it again. But you have to say something. You are just keeping mum. Have to say yes or no, something. Yes, girls? Am I
yes,
clear? Okay,
yes,
I need not ask you again, right?
yes,
Okay. So what is motion? It is the process of moving or of changing position of any object is called the object to be in motion. Because when the body is moving, for example, this is a ball. Someone's mic is on, please put it off. When the body is moving, so it is leaving this position and is coming to this position. Is it a new position? So this is initial and this is final. So what is happening? This body is leaving this position and is taking a new position. Am I right? Hello?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. There are two things. Now, if you are in a bus or in a train or in a aeroplane, when you look out of the window, what do you see? That the trees are passing by. Yes? The road is passing by. The field is passing by. Don't you feel that? But actually is what? That we are moving and the road is at rest, the trees are at rest, the field are at rest, the person who is standing on the field, they are at rest. But what we see? That I am at rest, but all the things are moving. Yes or no? So two things
Yes,
is observed. One is in motion and the other is at rest. So we have to take references. Now, if I am in the bus, then what is the reference? I am the reference and the other things are moving. The other person who is on the road, who is standing on the road, if I take that person as a reference, so according to him, the bus is moving and I am in the bus, I am also moving. You understood now?
yes,
Yes? So there are two things. The rest, one is motion and the second is rest. Okay? Now if you talk about motion, then one is slow and the other one is fast. Yes? Yes or
yes,
no?
yes,
Now we come to types of motion. I think I just told you about linear motion. So the movement of an object which is going in a straight line or straight path is known as linear motion. For example, the bus moving on the road, the car moving on the road, the bicycle, straight path. So all these are linear motion. First one is linear. Now second one is circular. Can you give me the example of circular beta? Hello. Can you give me the Example of circular motion. Hello, girls.
Ma'am, hand of the clock.
Yes, and that's all.
A wheel.
Wheel, very good. And electric fan. Look on top. Electric fan. It moves in
Yes.
circular motion. Yes or no? Then, do
Yes.
you go to fair? You got
Yes.
this
That
merry-go-round.
giant wheel.
You got the giant wheel and the merry-go-round. Yes? Yes or no? So all these are circular. That, okay, then you play with the top. Top, you know?
Yes.
Top. Okay, so the spinning top is also showing a circular motion. Okay, so the spinning motion also comes in the circular motion. Then also, Earth is moving around its axis.
Yes.
Yes or no? So it is spinning around its axis. So that is called as rotation. That motion is known as rotation. Along with rotation, Earth is revolving around the sun. You agree? Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes,
all these
ma'am.
are circular motions. So now we have got two motions. The third motion that we are going to work on is vibrational motion. What it is? Vibrational.
Vibrational motion.
What is
Vibrational
vibration motion?
Motion.
What is vibrational motion? Just now we saw. Take the sitar, you pull the string, isn't it? So the motion of the string is causing the sound, is causing the vibrational motion. And this vibrational motion, so the object, the string is moving repeatedly. Okay, so these strings they have got the vibrational motion and which is producing the musical notes. Have you understood? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way you play tabla. Tabla has got a stressed membrane. Is it clear? So the vibration is produced on the stressed membrane and we get the sound. So this is the vibrational motion. Next one, the fourth one is oscillatory. I hope you know this oscillatory beta. What is the example of oscillatory motion? Can anyone give me? We have done this so many times. What is the oscillatory motion beta? No one knows. Janab Rupani?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the example of oscillatory motion?
Vibrating strings of music instrument.
That is done. That is vibrational. I'm
Vibrational.
talking about oscillatory. Pendulum beta, you forgot? I taught you pendulum? Or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
How come you forgot beta? So pendulum is oscillator. I told you that it oscillates to and fro, back and forth. All this motion I talked about yesterday only. Remember,
Yes.
not way long, just yesterday, and you forgot today. So oscillatory motion is what? Pendulum. Yes, it's like this. Then it goes here, and then it comes here, isn't it? It goes here like
Yes.
this. This is pendulum, which you get in the wall clock. So which type of motion you are getting, beta? To and fro or back and forth. And it is repetitive. It keeps on and on. So when it comes from 1 to 2 and then back to 1, it becomes one oscillation. Okay? Fine. Now the next one is, please put off your mic. I'm getting my voice back. Thank you. Periodic motion. What is the other one? Periodic motion. The periodic motion is related to oscillatory motion. Periodic motion. What is periodic motion? Yes? Now the time taken to complete one oscillation. Is it clear? The time which is taken to complete one oscillation, it is periodic. Now it can change from pendulum to pendulum. If the pendulum is small, it may take less time. If the pendulum is big, it may take some more time. Okay? So there's always a regular interval of time. It never changes. Periodic
Okay.
motion never changes. So you can take example as the motion of a clock pendulum. Then just now one of you had said the motion of hands of a clock, that is circular motion. Remember, all these are periodic. Even your heartbeat. Just
Yes, ma'am.
touch your left chest and just put your hand on your left chest. The heartbeat is repetitive. It is periodic. It never skips. Periodic means it's repetitive. There's no change at all. It takes the same time to repeat. These are all the examples of periodic motion. And the last one that we are going to work on is random. Random is like, see, the butterfly. How the butterfly moves, it comes, it glides, then it sits on a flower, then it again flies, then it goes to another flower, it sits for another time, maybe 2 minutes, more than the first flower. So it is random motion. It's not decided or pre-decided. It is not at all periodic. So it is taking its own time. So random motion is, uh, you can see the players who are playing either hockey or football when they're playing in the playground, their motion, see, the player's motion is not on a definite path. They go wherever the ball goes, isn't it? Do you follow me? So there's no definite path. So wherever the ball goes, the player rushes to that ball to hit or to pick it up. Is it clear? So it's a zigzag motion. So random motion is a zigzag motion. There's not a fixed definite path in this case. Any problem? I've gone through all the types of motion. Any problem with us so far?
No, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now we come to the types of motion. What are types of motion? Just now you saw uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Okay. Now tell me what is uniform motion. We have done everything. Remember that. What is uniform motion? Can anyone explain better?
Yes, ma'am.
What is uniform motion? Simple. This is a simple answer that when a body covers same distances in same interval of time, the motion is said to be uniform motion. Simple. This one, first one better. Understood? Straight line. In uniform motion, we get a straight line. Have you understood this much?
Yes. Yes,
All of
ma'am.
you? All of you better? It's all simple. See, I'm asking in a different manner, but we have already done. Maybe my words are different. My words are different because I want to confuse you. But if you understand the matter, then nothing can confuse you. Okay, girls?
Okay, ma'am.
No?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So you understood the uniform motion? That when a body covers, that means the graph what I will have is a straight line showing it's a uniform motion. That when a body covers same distance in same intervals of time, the motion is said to be of uniform. And non-uniform is When a body covers different distance in same interval of time, the interval of time will remain the same, but the distance will vary. That becomes non-uniform. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
The whole seven standard is understanding or not?
Yes.
Soban Fatima, right? Or Almas? Who is it?
Owen Fatima.
Soban Fatima. Now we come to speed. What is speed, beta? What is the definition of speed?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta.
Speed is equal to distance of time.
Distance upon time. Say it again. Distance upon time. Say
Distance and time.
divided by time. Okay. Now, if I wish that you gave me the formula, can you put it in your own words as a part of definition? You can even say rate of change of position. Can we do that? Can I say this? The speed is equal to the rate of change of position. Can I say that, Rita?
Yes.
Given the sentence.
Rate of change of position. Now, what is the meaning of position? It was here and now it has come to here in unit time. So, what is this? It is the distance. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So, whenever I divide by t, that becomes rate. So, what has changed? The position has changed. So, change of position and the rate is divided by t is equal to speed. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
It is a rate. I'm just trying to suggest that we can give so many different answers to one topic. So don't always think that, I may be wrong and ma'am will be right. No, don't say that. I wish to get many more things from you people. You're intelligent, better. You all are very smart. So let me learn from you people. I would be very happy. Girls, do you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So I told you to do mistakes. Why aren't you doing mistakes, better? Don't keep mum. If I'm asking you one answer, I should get 10 answers. Sorry, one question, I should get 10 answers. That's what I'm saying. So, this is speed, fine. What is the unit of speed, beta? Now, you had said, Owen Fatima, it is distance upon time. Okay. Now, what is the unit of speed then? This is speed. So, what is the unit of distance? Hello. What is the unit of distance? What happened?
Kilometer per hour.
Okay, you are very good. It's too good. Kilometer per hour, or there's another unit. Which unit we are going to take, beta?
Meter and minutes.
Very good. No, no, no. Meter and second. What did I say? Meter
Meter and
per
second.
second. Good. Kilometer per hour or meter per second. This is what we will take. Is it okay? Kilometer per hour is the largest unit. Meter per second is the smallest unit. You understood?
Yes.
Good. So this you did it correctly. Very good. Okay, I will give you one uh, numerical. Let me know. Do you have a pencil, notebook, something of the sort with you people? Or you
Yes.
can do it. You have, right. So you have to do the calculation, let me know. Calculate the speed of a train. So we have to find out the speed of a train, beta, which covers 200 kilometers. So what is the distance, beta? 200 kilometers, right? Agree?
Yes.
Yes.
In 4 hours. So what is the time? 4 hours, right? We have to find the speed. So what is speed, beta? What is the
50 kilometers.
I know what, but let me write. What is the formula of speed? I don't know formula, beta. You have to help me.
Distance upon time.
Okay, distance upon time. So what do I write, beta? What is the distance?
200 kilometer.
100 kilometers.
200. What is the time?
4 hours.
4
4
hours.
hours.
Only 4. We will write only 4. Okay. Now you will solve it. What I get, beta?
50.
Okay, 50. Good. So what will the unit? 50. What is the unit, beta? What is the
Meter
unit?
per second.
Where is meter per second, beta? Is it meter over here?
Kilometer per hour.
Then why you said meter, beta? Be careful. See, you have got 50, but if you write meter per second, you will get 0. Be careful. Whatever unit is given, that only you have to put it down. Is it clear? Owen Fatima?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? So be careful. You will get 0. So you have done all the calculation right. But if you write the wrong unit, I'm telling you, you will get 0. Because 50 kilometer per hour and 50 meter per second is totally different. You understand, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, so be careful. Okay, next time. So whatever unit we have, we have to just put it down. This much have you understood, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, nicely. Okay. 1 minute has got how many seconds, beta?
60 seconds.
Okay, 60 seconds. Right? 1 hour has got how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Very good. 1 day has got how many hours?
24.
24 hours.
4 hours. Very good. 1 month has how many days?
360.
30 or
No, no,
360.
1 month I said. Beta, please again hear
30.
me properly. Please hear
30
me
or
properly.
31.
Exactly. 30 or 31 days. Very good. You understand what I'm saying? Because February has why 31 days? We know that 30 or 31 days.
Yes.
Okay. Which month has got does not have 30 or 31 days?
February.
February
February. How many days it has?
28.
28.
And in every 4 years, 29.
28 or 29 days. Right? So when it's a leap year, it has got 29 days. You understand?
Yes.
What about year? 1 year has got how many days?
366
360.
or
365.
365 days.
365 days. Okay. And
And
when
in
it is
leap
a leap
year,
year, it is
366.
366. Very good. When it is leap year. All of you understood nicely?
Yes.
Yes.
Any problem you can ask me?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now, if I make a graph like this, what it is called as?
Bar graph.
Very
Bar
good.
graph.
Bar graph. Bar graph. When I make a circle like this and a cut like this, what it is called as? What it is called as? Hello? We learned
Filament.
everything. We learned everything. Remember, I'm shocked if you have forgotten, beta. It is pie chart. What it is called as? Pie chart. Say, what it
Pie
is called
chart.
as? Pie chart.
Chart.
Then we have a graph like this, and we this. What it is called as?
Minecraft.
Very good, line graph. So now we have got three way of representing graphs. These are advantages. Looking at it, we can find out. What do we find out, beta? We can find out the change in weight of a man. We can find out the composition of air. We can find out the runs scored by a team. So all these things is very apparent. It becomes very easy to understand if we draw graphs. Okay. So we have almost completed with the thing. Okay, just last question. What is the use of speedometer, beta?
To measure speed.
To
Of
measure
vehicle. Very good, speed. Which is the unit that we are going to use?
kilometer per hour.
Very good, excellent. Kilometer per hour. Now, what about odometer? Why do we use odometer, beta? What do you find using odometer? Forgot. What do we find from odometer? Distance, simple. What do you find? No,
Distance.
distance. What is the
Distance.
unit? What is the unit? What is the unit, beta? Kilometer.
Kilometer.
You understood now?
Yes.
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am.
Fine, fine. So I think we have come to close of
Ma'am, time
today's
is up.
session. Yeah, time is up. I
Time
know.
is up.
Yeah. So I think you have understood the revision part also. We have revised the whole chapter.